So I guess a clearing is now the beach is in front of us here, and this clearing certainly has become huge in comparison. Like huge. Now I noticed motorbikes coming through the jungle through here somehow. It doesn't make any sense because over there is a path, but it's just completely flooded in. But that billabong comes right all through here too, which I didn't really know. Oh, jungle. Nothing like jungle. Looks like parts of Trinidad and Tobago, huh? Okay, so yeah, you see, you used to be able to go through there, but it's like a swamp. Incredible, incroyable. So they were coming through here, and that path is gone.